What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, Mishka? What's going on? What's going on? Easy. That's right. Good. All right, easy, easy. That's it. You're done. You're done. All you have to do is just run around and come back, right? Is that what you want it? Come on, go. You know you want to. Go. There's another squirrel there. All right, come on. Either get in or get out. Come on, let's go. It's freaking cold now. All right, I'm closing the door. Go. If you're going to go, go. If you're going to go. God damn it, if you're going to go, Mishka. All right, I'm closing the door. Whatever, you don't want to.